First step, make an E power chord on the 7th fret of the A string. You completely mute the strings for 2 downstrokes. Then you do a lighter mute on the, and then you do a lighter muted E power chord for 2 downstrokes. Next you play the E power chord, so the pattern is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But you're gonna miss on the second to last up. So it's gonna sound like this. Now you go over to the 5th fret of the E string and you just do 4 strums. On the 7th fret of the E string, you do 4 strums. Then you reset to the E power chord. Adios, check out my full videos on my channel.